तपाईँ कहिले व्यस्त हुनुहुन्छ? When are you busy? When are you busy? तिमी कहिले फर्किँदैछौ? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? तपाईँ कहिले छोड्न जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? When are you going to leave? When are you going to leave? म अर्को पटक कहिले भेट्न सक्छु? When can I see you next time? When can I see you next time? हामी कहिले खान सक्छौँ? When can we eat? When can we eat? उनी कहिले युरोप गए? When did he go to Europe? When did he go to Europe? तपाईले काम कहिले पुरा गर्नुभयो? When did you finish the work? When did you finish the work? तिमी कहिले घर पुग्यौ? When did you get home? When did you get home? तिमी कहिले पढ्छौ? When do you study? When do you study? यो कहिले सुरु हुन्छ? When does it begin? When does it begin? उनी बोल्दा सबै चुप लागे. When he spoke, everyone became silent. When he spoke, everyone became silent. तपाईको लागि राम्रो समय कहिले हो? When is a good time for you? When is a good time for you? तपाईको कुकुरलाई खुवाउने सबैभन्दा राम्रो समय कहिले हो? When is the best time to feed your dog? When is the best time to feed your dog? अन्तर्वार्ता कहिले हुन्छ? When is the intermission? When is the intermission? तिम्रो जन्मदिन कहिले हो? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? जब बस आयो उनी चढिन्. When the bus came, she got on. When the bus came, she got on. यो कहिले समाप्त भयो? When was it finished? When was it finished? उनी कहिले जन्मिन्? When was she born? When was she born? हामीले अन्तिम पटक कहिले भेट्यौं? When was the last time we met? When was the last time we met? तिनीहरू कहिले आइपुग्छन्? When will they arrive? When will they arrive? तिनीहरूले कहिले कन्सर्टमा दिनेछन्? When will they give a concert? When will they give a concert? हामी कहिले आइपुग्छौँ? When will we arrive? When will we arrive? तिमी कहिले फर्कने छौ? When will you be back? When will you be back? तिमी कहिले स्कुल फर्कने छौ? When will you come back to school? When will you come back to school? तिमी कहिले छोड्छौ? When will you leave? When will you leave? तिमी कहिले पुग्ने छौ? When will you reach? When will you reach? तपाईको पुस्तक कहिले प्रकाशित हुन्छ? When will your book be published? When will your book be published? तिमी आफ्नो गहुँ कहिले काट्छौ? When will you harvest your wheat? When will you harvest your wheat?